Have you ever gone to make your favorite cookie or your favorite dessert, and as you're pulling out all of the ingredients, you discover that you're out of brown sugar? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ingredients to always have in your pantry, and you will never run out of brown sugar again. Hello and welcome to my home. My name is Kathy, and as you guessed it, in today's video, we're making brown sugar. First, what you're going to need is sugar and molasses. Just want to make sure that it's real molasses and not the blackstrap molasses, because blackstrap is going to be bitter and it's not going to give you that sweet taste that you're looking for. Now this couldn't be any simpler. You can use any sugar if you want. So if you want to make this, make organic brown sugar, just use some organic sugar and organic molasses. You can use raw sugar. Any sugar you have, you can use to make this. There isn't any measuring involved. It's really just how much you want to make. So I'm going to start by just pouring some sugar into the bowl, and I'm going to make a pretty big supply of it today because we are getting close to baking season and I want to make sure I have plenty of brown sugar on hand. Now next, I'm going to start up my stand mixer, and you certainly don't have to have a stand mixer. You can make this with a regular mixer, or you can even make this by hand. It's going to take you a long time to mix it together, but it can be done by hand. Okay, I'm going to get this started, and all you're going to do is pour in your molasses. Just going to wait until this incorporates before I add more. And you can make your brown sugar as light or as dark as you want. The light brown sugar will have less molasses, and your dark brown sugar will have more molasses. We're going to just scrape down the sides. So we'll make sure we incorporate all of that molasses into the sugar. And hopefully you can see this. It's a nice brown. Maybe a little bit more. So there we have it. We've got a nice light brown sugar. See that? Now I'm just going to put this right in my storage container. And this is not going to harden up like the store-bought brown sugar will. So this will last a long time without you having to worry about it going hard on you. I'm going to switch hands here. So there you have it. 2 ingredients and a little bit of mixing time, and we have brown sugar. This might just be enough to get me through the upcoming baking season. If not, I know I have more sugar and molasses, and I can have more whipped up in a jiffy. So if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified each time I put out a new video. So until next time, I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.